Here's the date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, you're going to ride the enclosed elevator here at the Village Court in Elm Grove, Wisconsin. It's an old black button Dover from the early 70s. Let's take another ride. And it's right here. It's right here. So let's go up to 2. Here you are at 2. Oh, comes right into a salon. What do you know? Let's go back down to the basement. So it's got your old bunker. Let's get a cat view. Not bad for an early 70s Dover, or for a shopping/office complex. So as you can see, it's got pretty much a plain cab, and there's no fornicator, so this is the only thing there is. There's your buttons right there. Door control and alarm. Got the Northwestern logo there too. Let's watch it close up. There it goes. And that'll be it.